Welcome to the best picks. The best cooktop trim kit is probably one of the most underappreciated kitchen upgrades, but trust me, it can make a huge difference. This seemingly small addition can dramatically improve the look of your cooktop while also ensuring a proper, seamless fit. Today, we're diving deep into the world of cooktop trim kits, exploring what makes them essential, and helping you choose the perfect one for your kitchen. Number 5. Stainless steel stove gap covers. Tired of food and crumbs falling into the gaps of your stove? This product is the perfect solution. It prevents spills and debris from getting stuck in those hard-to-clean spaces. The unique telescoping design allows it to fit gaps from 13.8 to 27.5 inches. It's made of two stainless steel pieces combined. This design ensures a perfect fit for your stovetop. Made of stainless steel, it won't melt or deform under high heat. You can use it without worrying about damage. It's also easy to clean and won't rust. Simply pull it out to clean, dry, or replace. This product is designed for easy maintenance. Keep your kitchen clean with minimal effort. It has a brushed surface with a shiny texture. It's a great practical decoration for your kitchen. It easily matches various kitchen styles. Please note that it is suitable for gaps less than 0.7 inches and greater than 0.08 inches. It is not suitable for uneven surfaces. Make sure it fits your needs. What we like? This cooktop trim kit features an adjustable length, perfect for various stovetop sizes. It's also heat resistant, so you don't have to worry about melting or deformation. If you have a non-standard stove or frequently cook at high temperatures, this is a great choice. What people say. It fits snugly and creates a tight seal, preventing anything from sneaking through. The covers are flexible and easily conform to the space between the stove and countertop, ensuring a snug fit. They extend to the exact size of my countertop and has already proven to make my life easier. Number 4. 2 PCS stainless steel stove gap covers. Tired of food and crumbs falling into the gap between your stove and countertop? These covers are the perfect solution. They're designed to prevent debris from getting stuck in those hard-to-reach places. Made from high-quality stainless steel, this gap cover is built to last. It's heat-resistant and designed to withstand the rigors of a busy kitchen, making it a great alternative to silicone covers. The covers are adjustable to fit gaps from 0.31 to 1.18 inches and lengths from 13.8 to 27.5 inches. Installation is a breeze, thanks to the adhesive strip that keeps them securely in place. Cleaning is simple. The covers are stain-resistant and can be easily wiped down with a damp cloth or even put in the dishwasher. No more struggling to clean those hard-to-reach areas. These covers are designed to fit most stoves and countertops, including brands like Frigidaire, Cafe, and GE. They're a practical and stylish addition to any kitchen. Use the gap covers on your stove, cooktop, or any other area with a gap. They're a great gift for anyone who wants to keep their kitchen clean and tidy. What we like? Made of durable stainless steel, this trim kit is built to last. The upgraded design includes an adhesive strip for easy installation. If you're looking for a low-maintenance solution that's also easy to clean, this one is perfect for you. What people say. These work great, has saved a lot of cleaning time with these covers. And fits perfectly. They are easy to install and easy to clean. I've had these for over a year, are durable and still look great. They definitely enhance the looks of my stove and do the job stopping crumbs and grease splatters from going down the side. They are strong, made of stainless steel and a nice thickness to them. They fit perfectly in where they needed to be. They wipe down well and are resistant to the heat. Number 3. Vance Stainless Steel Counter Trim Kit, 2-pack. Is there a gap between your counter and your stovetop? This kit is designed to fill those unsightly spaces. It creates a seamless look, preventing crumbs and spills from falling into the gap. Made from stainless steel, this trim kit is built to last. It can withstand the heat from your oven and stovetop. You can count on it to provide long-lasting protection. Installing this kit is a breeze. It adheres directly to your counter. You'll have a clean and finished look in minutes. This convenient 2-pack includes 2 pieces. This allows you to cover both sides of your appliance. It's everything you need for a complete installation. This product is proudly made in the USA. It is a testament to quality and craftsmanship. You can trust this product to meet your needs. What we like. This kit effectively fills gaps between your counter and appliances. Constructed from durable stainless steel, it's built to last. If you like a clean, seamless look in your kitchen and want a simple installation process, consider this one. What people say. Not only does it have a sleek appearance, but it keeps crumbs from falling between the cracks. These fit perfectly between my oven and the counter. This stainless is just right for a stainless steel stove top, and it lays nice and flat with a minimal profile. Number 2. Whirlpool and most brands slide and range gap filler. Tired of food and debris falling into that hard-to-clean space behind your slide and range? This gap filler is designed to solve that problem. It fits most top brands, preventing messes and keeping your kitchen clean. This triangularly shaped kit offers a versatile fit. With 3 different widths, you can choose the perfect surface to match your gap. It's designed to fit gaps less than 2.7 inches wide and 30 inches long. Made from premium black aluminum, this filler strip offers high heat and corrosion resistance. The laser-cut edges ensure safe handling and easy cleaning. It gives your range a custom, built-in appearance. You don't need any special skills to install this. The process is simple and requires no appliance disassembly. Following the included instructions, you can achieve a perfect fit in minutes. The kit includes the triangular fill strip, mounting brackets, screws, and installation instructions. We also provide professional after-sales service. If you're not satisfied, we're here to help, because your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. This slide and range gap filler has a unique triangle shape, fitting various gap widths. It's made of premium aluminum with high heat resistance. If you're looking for a quick and easy install to prevent debris from falling, this is the one for you. What people say. The builders of my home left a large gap behind the stove, and you could see where the backsplash ended. This was the perfect thing to close that gap. And it really looks nice in my kitchen. This filler prevents things from falling in the oven vents and so much easier to clean. Fill the gap between our new range and the backsplash perfectly. Number 1. Slide and range rear gap filler kit. This kit is designed specifically for slide and ranges without a bulky back guard. It's a perfect fit to fill the gap between your range and the wall. Make sure to check the size to ensure it's compatible with your appliance. Made from 100% pure aluminum with a surface oxidation treatment, this filler kit is built to last. It's waterproof, anti-corrosion, and easy to clean, providing both durability and a sleek look for your kitchen. The 3-dimensional design allows for flexible gap filling. This prevents food and other items from falling into the unreachable space behind your range, keeping your kitchen clean and tidy. Installation is quick and easy, with a straightforward process that takes just minutes. The included non-slip fixing accessory ensures the filler strip stays securely in place, providing a safe and stable solution. We offer a 30-day refund or exchange if you're not completely satisfied. If you have any questions or issues, please contact us, and we'll provide a satisfactory solution. Make sure to confirm the size before purchasing. What we like. This rear gap filler is widely applicable for slide and ranges without a bulky back guard. Made of premium aluminum, it's waterproof and easy to clean. If you need a simple solution to fill the gap behind your range, this is a great choice. What people say. Perfectly fit into gap in 3 different orientations, it is triangular. So we can take it out, clean it, and reinstall later in a different orientation as is our whim. Fits 30 width of standard range perfectly. Keeps cooking debris off back wall and from dripping down behind stove. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.